My dear students, welcome to our next session. Previous session we discussed about right hand thumb rule. Now we are going to discuss magnetic field due to circular coil or loop. Here to do this activity we require some materials. First one, wooden plank and here we use 24 gauge copper wire. It's insulated several times, so then it is called as coil. And here we use compass needle. And this is the coil, circular coil, and we use one battery along the switch, and we make a circular holes on a wooden plank and through it 4 or 5 times. Through it 4 or 5 times we have to insulate the copper wire like a circle, and when it connected to the battery, the electric current passes through it upward direction. So current passes from positive terminal to upward direction and it moves downward direction into negative terminal of the battery. So according to right hand thumb rule, if current carrying wire moves upward direction, the current carrying conductor, if you imagine that current carrying conductor, hold in your hand, right hand. Now this thumb shows the direction of the electric current, so now it shows the direction, and this remain fingers, the curved fingers shows the magnetic field line around the circular coil. So we can observe the magnetic field lines here, and it moves in this direction. So it moves in this direction means this is anti-clockwise direction. It moves anti-clockwise direction. This we can observe by sprinkling the iron fillings. So then that iron fillings are adjust themselves like a anti-clockwise direction of the circle like this. That we can understand that by using magnetic compass. So the compass needle can move anti-clockwise direction. So we can identify the magnetic field line by using the compass needle. If we place the compass needle here, we can take the dots first. This is the circular coil, suppose. Here we have the holes. If we use the magnetic compass needle here, we get the deflection of the needle and put the dots, and again you have to change the magnetic compass here. If you place the magnetic compass here, again we have to notice the dots, and again you place the magnetic compass here and you place the dots of deflection of the magnetic needle, so on. You get the magnetic field lines around the circular coil of this hole. Likewise we get here that anti-clockwise, we can observe the anti-clockwise direction of the magnetic field lines. Another side also we have to use the compass needle and put the dots in the same way. Here also we can observe the some closed magnetic field lines like this. Here the current passes through it downward direction. So this shows the direction of the current, and remain finger shows the magnetic field lines. The curved finger shows the magnetic field lines. So it moves in this direction. So this is, here we can observe the lines which are moves clockwise direction. So one side we get anti-clockwise direction of magnetic fields, and another side clockwise direction of the magnetic field lines. So here we are using a right hand thumb rule and observe the magnetic field lines due to electric current, and remember this anti-clockwise. See, these two sides of the coil act as a magnetic poles of north and south pole. Here see, this letter looks like N. I am taking this ends arrow. This arrow shows anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction is act as north pole of the magnet. That we have to remember like this. The same way south. I am taking this letter ends arrow. Now this arrow shows like this clockwise direction. So clockwise direction of the magnetic field lines act as south pole of, like bar magnet, north and south poles. We can observe here when electric current passes through the circular coil. This is about magnetic field due to circular coil. Thank you.